Peppers give me life. I don't know why. I love growing peppers. Look. Guys, let me just show you what we are seeing here. Look at me. I'm a whole 5'3", and these these are taller than me. So what is my secret to get peppers to grow this big and spread this much and produce this much? Let me share with you. It's planting day for my peppers. I'm gonna be planting some peppers out in the garden today. I have habaneros, and then I also have what I call papa's peppers. They're peppers that my dad gave me the seeds. I grew them here 2 years ago, saved the seeds, and then I'm growing them again this year. They're gonna go over here. Some are gonna be on the ends of these long beds, and then some in grow bags. Over here are my habanero peppers. There are 4 of them. And then over here are the red hot peppers from Boya. I'll plant some in ground, and then I'll plant some in those grow bags. The secret ingredient that I always add to the soil when planting my peppers, Epsom salt. I always add Epsom salt to my peppers. It will tell you the instructions how much to add, but I would add about 2 to 3 tablespoons, like it says here, per hole before planting. So before putting my peppers in the earth, in the ground, or in my containers, I'm going to add about a tablespoon or 2 of my Epsom salt. Try it, and then you can thank me later. Different shapes. This one almost looks like a ghost pepper from the way it is wrinkled. Wow. So guys, we're working on the habanero peppers, the yellow habanero peppers now. Well, we harvested the red, as you can see. Now we're getting the yellow ones. It is crazy down under here.
Yeah.
It's, look at that.
Oh my God.
Look at all the puffs of yellow.
Yeah.
When you look from the top, you can't see anything.
Yeah.
But then
when you come down here.
Down here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where the beauty is.
Yellow habanero peppers.